Hello guys, welcome to Angular Material series. In this video I am going to show you how to use Angular Material list in your Angular project. Are you ready? Let's get started. And open the website material.angular.io, and in the left side we have different component, and today I am going to show you how to use list in your Angular project. So open your editor. I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. This is the last project which we created in the previous video, and we already installed Angular materials. If you pause the video, you should watch it again and install Angular material, and then now I am going to show you how to use card component in your project. So click on list, not card, I'm very sorry, list, and click view code. First you should actually add API reference in your module. Copy that. If you want to use every component, you should first copy the API reference from here, okay, and go to your Angular project and add to your app module.ts here. In the previous video we used actually button, and we don't need that. Mat list module, and here you should add to your import array mat list module. So we added mat list module in our app module.ts, and now you can use list view code and copy that. Copy and go to your HTML app.component.html and paste it here. And now let's see how it looks like. To run the Angular project, you should type ng-serve, enter. Okay, and let's run the project localhost. As you can see, this is a list component material. That's how you can use it. And thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.